Hi everyone, my name is Chris Red and I work here at Johnson RV in beautiful Sandy, Oregon, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. Today I'm going to talk about one of our pre-owned pieces here. This is a Leisure Travel Unity FX. We are one of 13 leisure travel dealers here in the States, but we specialize in premium pre-owned, so we obtain them, we recondition the RVs, and then we resell them. So this is a 2017 Unity, an absolute gem to have on our lot with a lot of great options. Built on the Mercedes-Benz chassis. It has that newer body style when you look at this. This is that beautiful white and black color here. As you can see, the newer body style has this beautiful curve in the wall here. We have a lot of storage on the outside. I'm going to show you some of the features and we'll go inside. So as you can see, it has this beautiful carefree awning, power awning, easy to work, and it does have some spots here so you can hook the arms on there to make it a little more stable if you're going to use that awning. A nice LED light strip that you can control and turn the lights on and off. Right there's a storage bin here, and then when I walk around, we have another storage bin here located on the passenger side. This is equipped with the newer Truma hot water heater. So there's a tankless hot water heater with a 1 liter storage little compartment there. So you have instant hot water when you're traveling. This is equipped with a propane generator, and that's located right here. Easy to start inside the coach. I'll show you that shortly here. You have some storage. Since this is the FX floor plan, there's a couch in the back here, so you have some storage and a little access to get into it. Another line storage bin here. It also has a quick disconnect for a propane barbecuer right here. So if you have the awning out and you want a barbecue, you can just hook up and keep your barbecuer out here underneath the awning, so you don't have to mess with that. Stepping into the rear here, so this is the newer body style, so you have the 2-piece mast. This is a removable piece. If you were getting the fender bender, you can get that replaced really easy. It has a 5,000-pound towing capacity and a rear ladder as well, so it's equipped with a ladder. There is a backup camera. This also has the option of a macerator, which is a great feature that you can order. When you order them from Leisure Travel, you can get that. This one's equipped with it. So everything here, your macerator's already hooked up, so it makes the part that people don't like, dumping their tanks, a little bit easier and cleaner. You can just leave some gloves there and go through that. You have your outdoor shower, your Sani flush. This is where you fill your propane switch cut off. So all your controls are very easy to get to, and you don't have to climb under here and hook the tank up. So traveling around, dumping your tanks, very easy to do, and we give you a great educational walkthrough when you do purchase from Johnson RV. So when I walk around the other side here, the driver's side, as you can see, it has an awning topper over the slide. This is a floor plan with a slide out here. There's a Murphy bed behind this wall. And then you have some storage here along the driver's side. You don't need a dump hose because you have the macerator hose, but we do give you a brand new one, and you can store it there. So if for some reason that failed, you'd always have one. And this is just some water filter stuff in a hose. So this is just stuff that comes along with it. So you fill your diesel right here. You're opening up the door. It's very simple to do. You get about 16 to 18 miles per gallon on this beautiful RV. So let's walk around and take a look inside. All right. So now we're stepping into this 2017 Leisure Travel FX. It's maple cabinetry, so it's very light inside, so you don't feel like in a 25-foot RV that you really are, you don't feel claustrophobic in here at all. All your controls are located right here, okay? You have your generator start, all your tank monitoring, your Truma hot water heater. This is equipped with a satellite on the roof, so a wind guard satellite, easy to turn on, and equalizer jacks. So there's 2 stab jacks that come down to make this thing stop rocking a little bit. So 2 people, it's absolutely great. This is a Skylight, and you can open the Skylight up, very easy to do, but also it has a nice pull screen to keep the bugs out, or if you want a little darker in here, if you're sleeping, you can close that. So it's absolutely wonderful. Let me just show you here. We're going to go, this is storage. So you have beautiful closet. The cabinetry is so well built in this RV, and you have some more storage in the bottom here for a little shoe cubby. Up top here, this RV has solar panels on the roof, so that was an option. the solar panel controls right here. It also had the option of a safe. The safe was put in as well. So it basically has most options that leisure travel offered at the time of the 2017. You have your Mercedes-Benz chassis here. You have a little light if you do leave your jacks down, but all your hand controls, very easy to work, and it does have navigation. So it's a very comfortable ride, and you get about 16 to 18 miles per gallon. So the main part of the RV, now the slide is out, the main part of the RV here is the Murphy bed. So you have a couple different ways to enjoy this RV. Right now, if we're just going to be hanging out here, there's a sofa and you can keep the door open and a nice window. But if we were going to use it in other ways, so it's going to be, it's pretty quick. This is just a backrest here, and I'm just going to do this while you're on film with me. So thank you for your patience. And again, thanks for watching my video. My name's Chris Red, and I work at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. So if you remove these right here, basically what we have is just a little table right here, but then this drops down for your dinette. So now you can have dinner, and when you don't need it and you're ready to go to sleep, I'm going to do that for you as well. So basically, you lock that up into place. Okay, you can go ahead and put this back because this is not going to be you're not going to need this little couch insert. These you can just put up front out of your way. You also I did not mention, but when you do have the sofa up, so if you do have this couch in place like this, you can pull out your leg extension, and there are cushions here, so you can kind of have more of a lounging couch. So that's just a little beautiful add-on there. And if you watch one of Dean's videos, he goes through it very thoroughly. So, but if you have questions, you can call me as well. So we're getting ready to go to sleep now. You left your bed made up. Very easy to use. You just twist two little locks. I can do it with one finger. That's how easy it is. Pull it down, bed comes down. Those are those cushions for those leg extensions I was telling you about. But unclip this, your bed is ready. And you can leave it made up, your blankets on there, maybe get an extra clip so that way your bedding will hold up there. Picture these as your pillows. So obviously there's room right here for your pillows. So you can leave everything in here, and then when you're ready to go, two little twists and a finger pull, and you're ready to go to sleep. You also have push button lights back here that will turn on when I turn the power on. So, and this is a little pull down here to keep the sun out, and you can open those windows. And this also pulls out so you can lay and read if you want. So very easy to do. You're ready to get up in the morning, make your bed, which is a wonderful thing to do, to make your bed every day. So you did something for yourself. I learned that in the Air Force. But let me say, right here, pull the lever, it lifts back up. Okay, so easy peasy. Now you put your cushions up, and I'm going to show you the rest of this RV. But it's pretty simple process. But the nice thing about it is you have space, and you don't have a down bed in your way the whole time. So if we walk into the kitchen, you have a beautiful, deep stainless steel sink, 2-burner stove, and a lot of storage here. Little drawers that pull out here, very well built, some filters, remotes. Cabinets up here, they have beautiful hidden hinges so you don't see all those locks. That's something they started doing on later floor plans. Being this a 2017, you do get a separate fridge and freezer. You have a convection microwave grill up here, and then you have more closet hanging space here. Drawers all the way down. Now we're in the FX part. So this is the flex floor plan. You have a television that does wrap around out here, but this is just a nice little sofa area. If someone's sleeping, you want to read a book back here and not wake the other person. This is just a nice little sitting area with a beautiful, nice window here, and it makes it feel very spacious. You also have a pull out here, and this can add as a footrest. There's a cushion that goes on top, or if you want to sit back here and eat, this does pop up, so you can have like a little table here, and it just tucks away and locks into place. So it's kind of a nice little thing. Two people can sit back here and both have their feet extended. And then when you get into the bathroom, I mean, this door locks in a couple different places here. So let me show you. If you want to leave the door open, you can lock it into place like that. If you want to use the restroom in the shower, it locks into place like this, and it feels very spacious. But if you just want to watch a movie and you don't want to look at the toilet, you can lock your door into a place like this, so that way you have more floor space back here. So it locks into 3 different places. Great engineering to do that. But let me show you how big the bathroom is. I'm 6 foot tall, so I'm gonna step into the shower and show you the space. A lot of space in here, and the beautiful, you get your toilet, a lot of space in here. Cabinet storage, you have a fantastic fan here, a fantastic fan in the kitchen area. So this RV is an absolute gem, and it's in great shape. So this is a 2017 Leisure Travel FX. We are a dealer, so we can place an order for you if you'd like, but we do specialize in pre-owned. So we most of the time have every floor plan in pre-owned here, so at least you can look at them, and then if you do want new, you can order. My name is Chris Red, and I work at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. Thank you very much for taking time to watch my video.